Okay, example number 2. You are starting a part-time lawn mowing business. You know, I actually did that. I know it's kind of a, a quirky little thing that everyone's like, oh yeah, I mowed lawns when I was a kid. I did actually mow lawns when I was a kid. And I'd make $5 for a lawn. I'd make a lot more now, but that was way back before electricity and stuff. So, example number 2 says, you are starting a part-time lawn mowing business. Your profits for 6 months are shown below. Okay, here they are. Ooh, you didn't make any money in April. You must have bought a lawnmower or paid a lot in gas or something. You didn't make any in May. I don't know. It looks like you broke someone's window or something. You had to pay for that. Now you made some money in June and in July and in August, and you lost some in September. Okay, that's okay. It's all right. Let's see what happens. It says, use a number line to order these profits. Which profit is least? What is another word for a negative profit? Okay. All right, let's go through these things one at a time. Now, I'm going to draw my number line. Okay. Okay. I'm going to let this be 0. How high do I need to be able to go to the right? How high do I need to be able to go to the right side? Jenna? To 100? Well, Jenna, I'm going to make this 100. Is that all right? Okay. And I'm going to put this at 50. And I'm just going to make that 25 and 75. Okay. Now I'm going to go on the negative side. And I'm going to keep the units about the same. That's negative 25, negative 50, negative 75, negative 100, negative 125. Okay? Now, we're going to plot, put a dot by our profits and other stuff on the line. How about April? Where should I put April? Elizabeth? All right, so I'm going to go to negative 50. That's right here, and I'm going to put a dot. I'll write negative 50 above it. Okay? All right? And I'll actually put April there. That'll help me. APR. Okay? Where do I put the next one? Where do you think, Aiden?
120.
120. Now, that's close to 125. So I'm going to put the dot right here, and I'll put May, and it's negative 120. Okay? Where do I put June? Where do I put June? Vivian?
At 70.
At 70. Would you agree that's about right here?
Yes.
Is that about right? So that's 70. We'll say that's June. Okay. What about July for us, Evan?
July is around 50.
Right on the 50. So I'll put 50 here. Put July. Okay. What about August, Hannah?
It's going to be on the right.
All right. All the way over here to the right. So that's 100. That's August. Okay. And then the last one is September. Elise, where should I put that? It's close to 0. On the right side of 0 or on the left side? Left side. Maybe about right here. We'll say negative 10, and that's going to be September. All right, so we put everything on the number line. Let's see if we can answer the question. It says, which profit is least? Raise your hand. Just looking at the number line, what's the least profit you made? Daniel? Negative 120, because it's the one farthest to the left. And remember, from the first example, we said the lesser numbers are to the left. Lesser numbers. Okay? Good. Now, what is another word for a negative profit? Do you know? Do you know? Derek? Take a guess.
A negative number?
No. A name for a negative profit. Zachary?
Debt.
Not debt. That's if you're borrowing, right? It's kind of the same, but it's not the opposite of profit. What's the opposite of a profit? Rowan?
Negative.
No. Moreau? What's that? I couldn't hear you again. What? No. You know what we call it? A loss. You lost money. Okay? All right. Great job. Let's look at the next example.